Yeah, when I started getting in about, it was like 2:30. I saw the snow had just started and it was already sticking, and I knew we were going to be in for an event. I already had talked about how this was going to be a historic and a once-in-a-lifetime event. Sunday, I mentioned blizzard was going to be possible, blizzard conditions possible, and that roofs could collapse. And here we are this afternoon now, pretty much getting almost done with the blizzard conditions. The snow will be wrapping up. And unfortunately, as Gerald just showed you, a carport did collapse. And I think we're going to have more of those issues going forward. We've seen about 8 to 12 inches of snowfall. That is a tremendous amount of weight for these carports, for flat roofs to really be able to support. And we're going to have more issues like that. Patio additions. Now, house roofs, I think overall should be fine, but we are in that, kind of iffy territory on weight on roofs right now because we're just not built for this. Up north in Ohio and anywhere where there can be snowfall of this, there's extra supports across the rooftops to be able to handle this. Down here, we're more worried about hurricanes and not so much weight on roofs. So that's something that we're just going to have to watch very closely. If you're out there and you have a flat patio addition, a flat carport, and it's that aluminum or steel, be very careful with that. And if you're hearing cracking and things of that nature, do not be underneath them. There's a look at our Sky 10 camera. I think the snowfall will be really tapering off now in the next probably 30 to 45 minutes. It is improving already here across Lafayette. We're able to see the roadways, as we can see them a lot better now than just an hour ago. So here's our first look at Ambassador. Temperatures in Lafayette, mid-20s. If we're outside, it's feeling like 13, though. And that's dangerous wind chills if you're not wearing gloves, if you're not wearing hats, and protecting your exposed skin. You can get frostbite if you're out in this too long. And we can see on Johnston Street, we're barely able to see any type of pavement. The only areas is where the cars have been driving through there. And what's really going to be the concern now going forward here is where all these cars have gone through for tonight, and we go down close to single digits. This is going to become an ice skating rink. Basically, a block of ice will form tonight, and we're still getting some pretty breezy conditions. Looking much better in New Iberia. We're able to see Highway 90 now. That bridge is closed, and we're able to see Opelousas and Evangeline Downs much better. There was almost whiteout conditions where we couldn't even see the infield here this morning with this blizzard. Now, the winter storm warning is still across eastern Louisiana, but being canceled or being pretty much ended and expired here for much of Acadiana, so we're no longer in a blizzard warning here for Lafayette. The back edge of the snowfall is just now getting into western Lafayette Parish. So the Scott and Dusson area, you'll start to notice the snowflakes will start to wind down, and that's going to be the trend over the next 1 hour or so for much of central and eastern Acadiana. Maybe another couple hours there for St. Mary Parish. Winds have been gusting 30 to 35 miles per hour, and we did reach the criteria for blizzards. With 35-mile-per-hour wind gusts, visibilities were down to a quarter mile or less for several hours. This officially will be a blizzard for southwest Louisiana. Temperatures in the mid-20s right now, dangerous wind chills, and they're only going to get worse from here. Now our focus is going to turn into the dangerous cold air that comes as the back edge of that snowfall starts to move out. All that heavier snow now moving over New Orleans. They're getting, saw Lake Pontchartrain and the palm trees across New Orleans there. They're covered in snow. Back edge of the clouds are still back towards really Houston. We may get that to clear out quick enough that we may see some sunshine before sunset, but I think that's a long shot. If we get a little sunshine, we may start to get this to melt off a little bit, but even that's not going to help us because all that's going to really freeze hard tonight. Closer to the single digits tonight, and then that's pipe bursting weather. Luckily, the future track model shows 34 by noon. Let's hope for that. Keep your fingers crossed that we can get above freezing closer to those midday hours. That would help try to get this melting process going, but there will be another refreeze there Wednesday night into your Thursday morning. Hazardous travel the rest of the day. Road closures are happening. Unfortunately, there hasn't been many power outages. They've been sporadic, but apparently manageable, so we hope that we can get that power back on if it is off at your house. Pipe risk, the extreme pipe risk now, the extreme pipe danger for bursting will be tonight and tomorrow night, where we're going to be close to the single digits here when it comes to temperatures. So trying to get above freezing tomorrow. Sunshine will help as well, trying to melt some of this off. Back into the teens Wednesday night, 41 Thursday, mid-40s Friday, upper 50s on Saturday. I think we still have snow on the ground Saturday, but by the afternoon hours, I think a lot of it's melted. Don't worry about flash flooding. This is not one of those heavy snow events that had a tremendous amount of quick melt that would cause flash flooding. That's not what we're going to have going on here. 70s are showing up for Sunday, Monday with some scattered rainfall. No snow showers in there, but again, most of the historic snow is starting to slowly wind down here. There's probably a few more, maybe about 30 minutes to an hour left of the flakes falling here in Lafayette. All right, let's get back to Darla and Lydia.
Hey, Chris, don't go away.
Okay.
I got a quick, I got a quick question for you,
Yes.
hon, because we had some viewers calling in, and you said some key things that Lydia and I were just talking about: black ice and those double digits, and what that could mean for folks who have to get out early in the